Hello guys, my name is Tzachi Kraus and welcome to my channel in which I review tech products, audio and cameras. Today's video is about the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus and why this is the mic that every YouTuber must buy. Before I start, know that this review is not funded and I purchased this mic with my own money, which is why I can give you my fair review. I uploaded my first video in my channel 11 months ago, and from the beginning I understood that one of the accessories I must buy in order to improve the quality of my video is a mic. Which mic? Here I wouldn't want you to redo my mistakes. Each time I bought a cheap mic between $35 to $80, I was disappointed with its sound. And that's why I recommended investing in a mic which brings you the correct sound when you talk directly into it or the noise around when you are filming outside. And not less importantly, it is user-friendly and will accompany you for many future movies. Remember, when you invest, it's not just for you, it's also for your YouTube watchers. In addition, the Rode company is very well known in this field. Let me know which mic you use, and if you have this kind of mic, what do you think about it? I purchased this mic in B&H for $2.99. If you want to buy one as well, you will find a link in the description. I have been using this mic for over 6 months, and now I bought another one because I film with 2 cameras and I wanted to have good sound for both. In today's video, we will see what we get in the box, and I will show you examples of the quality of its sound in my studio and outside. So let's start the unboxing. In the plastic box we have the mic itself, a battery which lasts 100 hours, and no, I haven't checked this fact, and I charge it about after every 2 or 3 uses. Here we also have the micro USB cable for charge. This is a 3.5mm cable which connects between the mic to your camera, and we also have its instructions. This is where you place the battery, and by pressing both sides it's open. One of the coolest features is that the minute you turn on the camera, the mic starts working, and the minute you turn off the camera, so does the mic. And now that the mic is on my camera, let's do some sound test. Guys, that's all for today. And if this review helps you, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me to grow on YouTube. If you have any questions regarding this mic, you are welcome to ask. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Have a great day.